Unlocking Moringa Magic, the ultimate superfood for your wellness journey. Embarking on a journey to enhance your health can transform your life, and integrating superfoods into your diet is a cornerstone of wellness. One of the rising stars among these nutritional powerhouses is Moringa oleifera, often hailed as the miracle tree. This video delves into the myriad benefits of Moringa, illustrating why this incredible plant might just be the secret ingredient you need in your wellness regime. What makes Moringa a superfood? Moringa oleifera, with its rich palette of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, has earned its title of a superfood. Its leaves are a treasure trove of vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and amino acids, all essential components for a robust health framework. But it doesn't end there. Moringa leaves also possess antioxidants such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which not only combat free radicals but may also support balanced blood sugar levels. The holistic benefits of Moringa for wellness. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Moringa has a compelling nutrient density, which means it offers a high level of essential nutrients per calorie. This makes it an ideal food for anyone looking to pack a nutritious punch without consuming too many calories. 2. Supports immune system. The abundance of vitamin C and beta-carotene boosts the immune system, providing you with natural armor against common illnesses. 3. Aids digestive health. Fiber-rich Moringa supports healthy digestion and could contribute to weight management as part of a balanced diet. 4. Promotes heart health. Antioxidants in Moringa can help keep the heart healthy by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol in the blood, possibly reducing the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, and Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds can help mitigate this risk. How to incorporate Moringa into your diet. Moringa can be consumed in various forms, from fresh leaves to powdered supplements. Here are a few suggestions to seamlessly include this superfood in your meals. Smoothies. Blend Moringa powder into your morning smoothie for a quick nutrient boost. Teas. Moringa leaves can be steeped to create a soothing herbal tea. Salads. Fresh Moringa leaves make a nutrient-rich addition to salads. Soups and stews. Stir Moringa powder into your favorite recipes for an easy, healthful kick. Capsules and supplements. For a quick and convenient option, Moringa is available in capsule form. Unlocking the full potential of Moringa. While Moringa is indeed versatile, unlocking its full potential requires understanding the best ways to use it. Here's how to maximize the benefits of Moringa. Consistency is key. Integrate Moringa into your daily routine to reap ongoing benefits. Pair with a healthy diet. Moringa is most effective when part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Quality matters. Opt for organic, non-GMO Moringa products to ensure purity and maximal nutrient retention. The evidence supporting the use of Moringa as a superfood is compelling, with studies indicating a range of health benefits. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or adding new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Conclusion. Embracing the magic of Moringa could well be a game-changer in your wellness journey. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, support your immune system, or maintain a healthy digestive tract, Moringa offers a simple yet profound solution to elevate your health naturally. Remember, the journey to wellness is a personal one, and incorporating superfoods like Moringa is just one of many steps towards a healthier, happier you. Get ready to unlock the magic of Moringa and watch as your wellness journey transforms with this ultimate superfood. If you're ready to explore the myriad benefits of Moringa and elevate your health regime, visit our shop to select from our high-quality organic Moringa products, or contact us to learn more about how this superfood can be tailored to your unique wellness needs.